looking at level 3 of horse, again level 3. And here we have a list of 20 shots. It says in a 2-player game, how many misses did the first player have in first 20 turns? So we have 20 turns here. All right, so keep in mind, we've got 2 players. So let's say the first player, so player 1 is going to be shooting on the odd numbers, the first, the third, the fifth, the 7th shot, etc. And we need to count then, well, how many misses are there for the odd shots, basically. All right, so let's work this over here. Okay, and we'll just think about the logic here. So we want to count those where we have it's an odd shot. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And it has an X. So we'll do an if. Okay, logical test of ands. We have two conditions. That is it odd? That is the shot selection odd, and did they miss? So do an and. Okay, so is odd. All right, and we'll do that number there. And I need to lock in the 87 of that. Okay. So is that odd? And do we have an X here? We'll leave that, there should be an equal sign. And we'll use this up here. So I need to lock in that B83. All right. So if both those things are true, I'll do a 1, and then we'll add them up. Otherwise, we'll just go with 0. Okay, and then we'll copy and run this out. Oh, let's see. Control C, Control V. Okay, and make sure I've gone far enough. I really should have done this first. I'll just go over here. I could either use a sequence or just do a copy and paste here. Okay. All right, so I go out far enough or not? Yeah, we're out a couple too many, that's fine. All right, so we'll take the sum of this, starting there in AB89 out to the end, and I'll just stop it right there with the 20. Okay, really should probably get rid of these here. Just do that. Okay, so we get a 6. Again, that's just a sum. All right, and then backing up, the harder part is this if with the and of course there's other ways to doing that. Okay, and do get a value of 6 there, so we can now should be able to just copy this down, down the shift key, and just go down here. Okay. And Control C, and go over and paste special values. Right click, values. Okay, and yeah, we are correct here. And again, in competitions, we wouldn't have the luxury of having these check marks showing that whether we're correct or not. All right,